Deploying an air bridge safely. Deploying an air bridge before the aircraft has reached a complete stop can have serious consequences. It is forbidden to enter the aircraft safety area when the anti-collision lights are on and without having been cleared to do so by the marshaller. Air bridges are positioned close to areas where there are sensors that are essential to the safe conduct of the flight. These sensors are particularly important. They provide the crew with information such as the aircraft speed, altitude, or angle of attack. In 2017, 70 collisions between aircrafts and equipment were reported. To prevent such damage, it's important to follow two rules. Do not move the air bridge until the aircraft has come to a complete stop, the anti-collision lights are off, and the marshaller has given the green light. Be alert to the specifics of aircraft types, such as the pitot positions and the alignment marks, and check that there is no damage on the cabin door and its contour. Lay the ground for a safe flight.